0-0 at the start of the second half. And the second half, Epic Proportions is now here. Vamos!
Hey! We trust our players or what? Hey!
And watch out for a long ball now. Oh, yeah. Now look at all there. Oi, oi, oi. Winning it! Oh, dear. 48 seconds in. Off the left leg of all there and into the back of the net. 1-0 Misfires. Well, it's a next for me. First goal of the game, and it belongs to the Misfires. And they lead 1-0. Oh, what's going on here? It's a corner. Oh, dear. So we have to get it up. And oh, dear. And a good block made there by Meritz. And clear out by all there and out of safety. Oh, nice hit by all there. And for aliza. Crossover again. And man, Nafc origami, they need something. And there's other problems on the defensive end out of origami. I don't know what to say. Oh, and running behind the D. Nice hit by Tito. And the call is off of the Misfires. And all there.
Tino.
Oh, and nearly for Roddy. And great. And look how green light hit by Tino. Looking for Eddie perhaps. It's aliza. Meritz nearly had it. Oh, look out. Great play there by all there. And now is aliza. Oh, nice to Roddy again. The big man trying to rumble through the Misfire zone. Oh, hello. Thank you. I think he lost it somehow, no? Roddy just trying to center it. Call is that's definitely a corner. A deflection way wide by Tito. He was ready to slam it home. And Eddie's going to take a breather. Oh, dear. Another green light hit by Chris. And look out for the ball. Oh, green light hit by aliza. And look out for the ball. Oh, stolen by aliza. Oh, fancy moves for the big man from origami again. And look at a foul off of the mid. Oh. Look out for the ball. Not again. Stopped by Mateo. And now there's Chris. And down low for aliza. And there it is for all there from Tito. All there, long shot. Oh my. And a green light hit by Chris and Tino. Filthy moves by aliza. How about the speed of aliza? Oh, and on the side of the post. Now they're starting to generate a little bit more chances. Oh, and nearly for Meritz and Eddie. Oh, green light hit by all there. I wonder where did that come from. That's gonna be a goal kick. Oh, you're easy, Tito. And all there again. Down low for aliza. Still in. It went off of the Misfires. And Tito. Trump. Oh, yeah. Oh, look out there. Oh, green light hit by Tito. They got to get it out. And Mateo. No. Play on. Wait. What? How? But I don't get it.
You didn't touch the ball.
Oh, dear.
You didn't touch the ball. You're playing.
Oh, dear. This is not gonna feel good enough. Oh, dear. Look out for a long ball now. Ay. Oh, dear. Ay. Block made there by aliza. Oh, and Eddie nearly had it. Thank you. That's better. Now for all there.
Go higher.
Down low from where Tito is. And beautiful almost for aliza from all there. And look out Tito. Oh, green light hit by Tito. And a green light by aliza. Oh, look out for long ball again. Oh, wait, what?
Hey, stop. Here, see. Man press, Tito, man pressing.
And look like it was an arm to the back by the Misfires. And great, look out. Wait, what? It was early in the second half. And the call off of Eddie. And I think he got pushed there as well.
I'm gonna go back for it. I just choose the side, don't let him go back to it. I'm gonna go line.
Well, it's a good hit there by Meritz. And great. Wait. And aliza. Well, yep, it was all there as well. All there. Oh, yeah, he can use his speed all right. Down low for Tito. And there's Chris. Hey! Oh, yeah, but foul against the Misfires, and the Misfires are going to argue here. And he's going to get a caution. Yellow, yep, a power play for NAFC Origami. NAFC Origami try to get the equalizer. And they try to tie this game here in the midway stages now of the second half. Down low for Tito. Controls it to the outside. Hey! And another foul. And this is where another yellow card and a two-man advantage. Oh, dear. And Tito's down. Roddy, you might need in case. Just in case. I think so. We'll find out. It's another power play for NAFC Origami. A two-man advantage, and Tito is shaken up, but he will carry on. Man, they need options. They're getting chances. They're getting good looks somehow. And a one-timer. Yes! Aliza! Downtown hit! A power play goal! A two-man advantage goal. and the game is tied. It may have been Tito at the front of the net, but Aliza with a shot, and it's 1-1. A power play goal. Two-man advantage, and NAFC Origami have tied the game. Finally, the falafel machine comes to life for the Ethio legend. 1-1. And Aliza comes into the outside. And Eddie comes in with a full head of steam. Almost for Chris. Now that was just a design play on the power play. Aliza took a slight deflection, but it won't matter now. He's tied this game, and he nearly collected the ball again. It's getting oh my goodness! Finally! But although the first power play was over, but the second power play continues for the next 30 seconds, I believe. Out there! Oh! And Eddie! Oh, and Eddie doesn't like the call. Oh, dear. And Meritz doesn't like the call. Wait, oh, no. But how? Oh, dear. Oh, boy. And Tato with a green light in. And oh, boy. Yeah, the power play is over. At least we scored one time on the power play where we couldn't have two. Oh, green light in by all there. Great, it's a count and a count. And Chris is having a word with the Misfires player. There's all protesters of the antagonist again. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh dear. Great play made there by Meritz. 7 strikes like it was from before. Oh, they gotta clear it! No, play on! What's it called? And right now for Tino. Down low for Chris again. Battling hard out there. The ball right now. And now there's Tito again. Oh, and then I believe Eddie was right there too. And oh, look out here. I was rolling. Good. Finally, Marani's right here for a sub. Let's see. It's Chris again. Woo. Nice move by all there. It's still 1-1 as Aliza took the shot. And Meritz. Wait. Well, that could have been any easier. Really collected into his own cage. Oh, look out. Oh, nice hit by all there. And now NAFC Origami are looking to respond to this. And here's Aliza. Aliza comes in with a full head of steam. Right there for all there. They switched the last man position. Foul called against the Misfires. And there's Meritz. And Tito. Oh dear. And here's Aliza again. Thank you. And for that. Wait, what's this? It looked like a foul against the Misfires. Let's see. It looked like a penalty kick for Origami. Let's see. Anybody? A power play. Oh, rebound for Roddy. I thought it was a power play for Origami, which would be nice to have one. Well, although it's a corner, And looks like Tito will have to find himself some open areas. Meritz from the corner. Oh, and Aliza was there. No. Oh my goodness, that misfires. Oh my goodness. Oh, green light hit here by the defense of Eddie. Oh, green light hit there by Meritz. Dang, thank you, again. 7 minutes, yep, 7 minutes left to go in the second half, 1-1. Oh, green light hit by Eddie. Crunching hit. Oh, look out, Eddie. Nice, good hit there. Hey, again, another foul on the misfires, and that has insane stability there right now. It seems that there was a near miscommunication with Mateo and all there. Whoa, wait, what? Oh yeah, in comes Eddie. And all there, right back to Tito. To Chris again, and to Meritz. Down low, looking there for Aliza. Aliza looking for a full head of steam, and oh boy. Oh, this one, come on! Off the pipe! About 6 minutes left to go. Oh, stolen by Rodney! Oh dear. It was almost for Rodney, wow. Oh my goodness, the Misfires player just stumbled. And Ali's, oh, we're wide, oh my. Oh boy. It's so cold in Central Tech, it feels like we're in an iceberg all over again. Oh, nearly for Meritz. As I look, he was out off of the misfires, and oh, look out, Ronnie, and look out, Tito. Oh, yeah, look out here, this man's trouble. Green lighted by all there, and Meritz is right there.
Hey, watch middle.
And right there for Aliza, and Aliza again. Oh, beautiful moves. He's done it again. Yeah, that was Meritz. With 5 minutes to go, and NAFC Origami has a 2-1 lead. And the falafel machine strikes for Meritz. Finally, the counterattack goal. Finally, a huge goal for Origami. And now they have a 2-1 lead with under 5 to go. And, oh, and actually it was Aliza and laying right back to Rodney. Oh. Oh, great light in by Tito. How about Aliza again? Crossover to Meritz again. Center back. Look out for the ball. No, oh dear. Oh, green light in there by Meritz. And it comes all there again. Rumbling across the misfire zone. Centering pass for Aliza. Oh, one touch. Oh, and Aliza was there. My, oh my. And look out here. There you go, Eddie.
Get it out!
Clear it away. Oh, dear. Out. Oh, yeah. Look out all there. Look out. Oh, quick crunching right here. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Two minutes left to go.
New number.
Look out here for number 10 of the Misfires. It's a good block made there by Aliza. Another block by Tito. And cleared. The game's over. What a comeback for the NAFC Origami. They have done it again, and finally, they have gotten their first win. As Tito and Meritz and Aliza combined to score the winning goal to win 2-1 against the Misfires. And finally, maybe this will get me the good luck charm for the legend himself. Well, it wasn't easy at first, but at the end of the day, a win is a win no matter what. Well, thanks for tuning in from Central Tech Field number 3, and I'm out. Peace. Well, they can say that the legend is back. Well, it wasn't easy at first, but then they made that comeback. Huge goal there by Aliza to preserve a 2-1 win over the Misfires. And speaking of it, the referee's not having any of it with the Misfires player. They're arguing about it, but there's no argument here, as Nafc Origami have finally gotten over the goose egg, and they have won it by a final score of 2-1. Whoop, we're out. What's going on here? They're still arguing about it. You know, it's just a natural argument any day of the week. Well, we're out of here, and peace.